Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we are continuing our discussion with questions from the ISI Amstrad PSA 2020 paper. So the question that we are dealing with is question number 40. So let's take a look. Let S be a set of all 3 into 3 matrices. Okay. As such A such that among 9 entries of A there are exactly 3 zeros, exactly 3 ones and exactly 3 twos. Okay. The number of matrices in S that have trace divisible by 3 is okay. So before we get into the same, let us first try and understand what trace is. Okay, so let me just give you a definition. The trace of a matrix is the sum of the elements in diagonal. Okay, so sum of the elements in diagonals. So basically if I am to find TR of A, so that would be A11 plus A22 plus A33. Okay, so possible, now if we take a look, so number of possible ways in which T or trace of A is divisible by 3. Okay, so when can we be, suppose we have the matrix in this form 0 1 0 0. Okay, so 0 dash 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 1 dash and dash 2. Okay, so this is, so this blank spaces are to be filled, so this dash, okay, that we have seen, these are to be filled by 0 1 and 2. Okay, so this particular thing can be done in 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Why? Because there are 6 gaps and each will be repeated twice. Okay, so that is, this can be done in 90 ways. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now if we talk about the diagonal elements, since there are 3 diagonal elements, so diagonal elements can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial, that is 6 ways. Okay, so therefore total number of matrices is 90 into 6 or 540. Okay, 500 matrices. Another way, the second way in which the trace of a matrix can be divisible by 3 is when 1 dash 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 1 dash and dash dash 1. Okay, this way. Here the blank spaces, okay, are to be filled with 3 zeros. Okay, so this blank spaces, okay, the blank spaces here, this can be filled with 3 zeros and 3 twos. Okay, so 6 blank spaces, so 2 factorial into 2 factorial, this can be done, that is 20 ways. Okay, similarly another way, the third way in which the trace of the matrix can be divisible by 3, that is 2 dash 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 2 dash and dash dash 2. Okay, here the dash can be filled in 3 zeros and 3 ones. Okay, so again 6 factorial, 6 gaps, and each will be repeated twice, that is again 20 ways. Okay, so therefore total number of ways will be 540 plus 20 plus 20, that is 580 will be our answer, option A. So I hope this thing is clear to you for all the questions that we have discussed. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.